Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to manage concurrent login tokens to fix too many devices error. The first thing you want to try to do is ensure that the other devices in your home are not just turned off, but actually have exited the Movistar Plus app. Some devices like Chromecast or Roku may keep a session active if you only turn off the TV screen. Also, wait for the timeout. So if a browser or app crashes, the system may still count that as a session as active. Waiting approximately 10 to 15 minutes often allows the server to time out the old session automatically. Also, explicitly log out of the app on devices you aren't currently using by going to your profile icon and selecting the logout button. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.